Oh, it's gonna be
So we are here at Elk Run Preschool, and that gives the students and myself the opportunity to work with the children, which is where we need to be. There are different classes that the students can take. The first block is Intro to Early Childhood Education, but that comes also with the field experience of being in the classroom. And then the second block is called Exploring Early Childhood. And those students are in the classrooms even more with that classroom experience. And then the third block is Child Health, Safety, and Nutrition. So the students could possibly even be those that may want to do nursing, and they would have some options that way, whether it's teaching, nursing, and getting a lot of background information on that. And they also go into the classrooms and observe and use what they learned in the textbooks.
The Waterloo Career Center is a great opportunity. I want to be able to work with children at this age. I don't want to go above kindergarten if I don't have to. And then I want to get my degree in teaching, so in case I do change my mind on that, I'll be open to more opportunities.
I love kids. I like being around them. I like babysitting. I like taking care of kids. I like connecting with them.
Being around kids and seeing that you're making an impact on their life and being helpful.
I feel like it pushes me forward. Doing it now, it pushes me forward to not give up on going to college and getting my credits for early childhood.
I think the perfect student would be one who comes in with a definite desire to be with kids, because we want educators, first of all, to love kids. It's not expected that they come in as a college student because they are high school students, but if they have that desire to push themselves to be going down that path of college, we can help them do that.